from a rolling stone by Robert Service, to pitch my tent with no prosy plan, to range and to change at will, to mock at mastership of man, to seek at winter's thrill, carefree to be as a bird that sings, to go my own sweet way, to reck not at all what may befall, to live and to love each day, to scorn all strife and to view all life with the curious eyes of a child, from the plangent sea to the prairie, from the slum to the heart of the wild, from the red-rimmed star to the speck of sand, from the vast to the greatly small, for I know that the whole for the good is planned, and I want to see it all. Get this poem and many more in Songs for the Open Road on Tacoma Public Library's Hoopla database.